congratulations! Oh my god, this is absolutely epic. I am so stoked that you're here. My name's Kaitlyn, short for Kat, and I'm with Owl Eye Photography. So what you can expect from me is that I'm absolutely a hands-on character. I love to help make your process seamless through the story timelining and the vision boards, and also just like being your best mate and helping you decide on certain decisions. It is absolutely an honor to be able to work and create with you on your journey and curate that madly wild, lovely experience that you're looking for. I love the authenticity that seeps through in your love, and it is absolutely my job to bring those wow factory art imagery to your galleries. So what that will look like is my style is a little bit, moody with a pop of you, which is a pop of color. I absolutely love the natural aspects of nature, which is why I'm here under these trees. And whether that is through any season, or we are traveling abroad, or we're staying local, I will ensure that everything through and through from the first step to the last step is worked through together. So I'm looking forward to chatting with you so we can see if we're the right fit. Take a look at the link below. We will see some galleries in there from elopements and weddings and portraits, and this will give you a good general idea of what you can expect in style as well. When we're looking at style, we're going to curate your vision. So let's pop in. We will dive into all the questions and see if you're ready to book your photographer. Awesome, guys. We'll see you soon, and enjoy this journey. You are just gonna have the best time. I know, because I also did it. So see you soon.